Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to tackle Algebraic Expressions Problem Solving. So, yung previous video natin is about the basics of transforming the verbal expression to algebraic expressions. Ito medyo a little bit complicated. So, problem solving to, mas mahirap siya ng konti. So, kung hindi pa kayo sanay mag-translate ng basic verbal expressions into algebraic expressions, lalagay ko yung link ng video sa description box. Okay, so let's start. So we will have examples. So let's start with yung madali muna. Okay, example number 1. The sum of 7 times x and 9. Okay, so ano bang meron tayo dito? Meron tayo dito the sum. So, magpo-plus tayo dito, for sure. And the sum daw ng 7 times x at ng 9. So, dalawang grupo siya. So, ang 7 times mo ng x, that will be 7x. Tapos, lagyan natin yung plus sign at pagsamahin natin dun sa isa, which is 9. So, ang final answer mo dito is 7x plus 9. So, easy, right? How about example number 2? Example number 2, the cube of a number diminished by the product of 3 and y. So, dalawa yan. Yung cube of a number, tapos yung product ng 3 and y. At pagkasamay mo ng diminish, which is yung subtraction sign or yung minus sign. Okay. Okay, so ano bang meron tayo? Cube of a number, that will be x at ang exponent mo ay 3. Tapos dito, diminish. So, diminish is a minus yon, minus. X cubed minus at by the product of 3 and y. So, product ng 3 and y, that will be 3y. So, final answer mo dito ay x cubed minus 1 and 3y. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Example number 3, the sum of 15 times a number and the product of 2 times a number. So, the sum daw ng 15 times a number, that will be 15x. Samahin mo lang. And the product of 2 times a number, dahil sum, magpa-plus tayo. Plus mo ng 2x. Di pa tayo tapos yan. We need to simplify it. Kung simplify siya, simplify natin. So, 15x plus 2x, that will be 17x. Okay. Okay, moving on, let's go to example number 4. The sum of two numbers is 18. Use one variable to represent the two numbers. Okay, the sum, so magpa-plus tayo dito. Sum of two numbers is 18 daw. Use only one variable. So, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng x and y. So, kahit isa lang doon. So, x na lang gagamitin natin. So, one number natin ay x. So, ano yung pangalawang number? So, remember, pag in-add mo daw yung dalawang number, 18 ang sagot. So, gagawin natin, 18 minus x, yun yung magiging other number. Yung gagawin mo pag tinanong sa'yo, use only one variable to represent the two numbers pag nag-sum. Although sum siya, so we're looking for the other number. Okay? Hindi naman pwedeng plus din siya, di ba? And moving on to example number 5, the cost of renting a truck is $300 plus daw $60 per kilometer driven. Express the cost of renting a car in terms of the number of kilometers driven. So, pag nagrenta ka daw ng truck, $300 agad-agad babayaran mo. Tapos, kada kilometro daw, kada isang kilometro magbabayad ka ng additional 60. So, kung nakadalawa ka, additional 120 on top of sa initial payment mo na 300. So, paano magiging algebraic expression mo dyan? That will be $300 yung initial plus mo ng $60 times mo ng x. Yung x na yun, that will represent the kilometer driven. So, kung nakadalawang kilometro ka, yung x, papalitan mo ng 2. So, that's 60x. Okay, so added explanation dito. Di mo lalagay yung number dun sa x because you're just representing lang muna kasi in terms of the number of kilometers driven. Kaya walang number doon sa 60 times, but 60 times x siya. Kasi hindi pa natin alam kung ilan ba yung kilometro na na-drive. How many kilometers driven, di ba? Kaya x lang siya. Okay, let's move on. Okay, example number 6. The length of the rectangle is 5 meters more than twice the width. Express the length of the rectangle in terms of its width. Hindi natin alam yung width. So, represent natin siya ng variable na x. At ang length daw is 5 meters more than twice the width. So, 5 meters more than twice the width, that will be 2x plus 1 ng 5. Kasi may more than, di ba? Babalik na rin mo siya. So, yun yung sagot. Yun yung mismong, so width natin, that will be x. At sa length, that will be 2x plus 5. And last example tayo. One car travels 20 kilometers per hour faster than a second car. Express the speed of the first car in terms of the speed of the second. Okay. So, dito, ang alamin natin dito ay speed ng first car. So, ang second car, represent natin dito ay variable na s. Okay, di natin alam eh. Sabi daw sa yung first car travels 20 kilometers faster than a second car. So that will be s plus 20. Kung ano man yung speed ng second car, dadagdagan mo ng 20. So dahil hindi mo nga alam yung speed ng second car, represent mo siya ng variable na s. So ang first car mo ay s plus 20. And that's the end of the lesson about algebraic expressions problem solving. So madali lang siya. And if you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, or kung may assignment kayo, please comment down below. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. See you.